Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing okay today. Today is Wednesday. The week is halfway over. Today is Wednesday. Everybody needs to say their sentence. Today is Wednesday. The month is April. Everybody needs to say the month is April. And today is Wednesday, April 15th. And our weather for Wednesday, April 15th is going to be partly cloudy. And the temperature is still going to be cold, but it'll be a little bit cool. So we're going to wear our pants. With a flannel shirt. And our sneakers. And you can take a jacket in case you get cold. So today's weather, Wednesday, April 15th. Partly sunny and cool. It's going to be a high of 60 and only a 10% chance of rain. Hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you log into Canvas and watch the videos and do the rest of your assignments.